Hi! In this video, we're going to continue solving the exercises. And now we move on. Exercise number 4. We have an electric motor, and we're going to reverse the direction of the current flow. What do you think will happen? Will the motor stop rotating? Or it would rotate in the opposite direction? Or continues rotating in the same direction? Think about it. Let's have a look back on how a motor works. Now this is an electric motor. It is a coil of wire that has been placed inside a magnetic field. And when we turn the current on, we can see that the coil will be rotating. So let's see what happens. You can find out the direction of the motion by Fleming's left-hand rule. And here the direction of the motion is clockwise. And so what happens if we reverse the direction of the current? Observe carefully so you can answer the question correctly. It's obvious that the motor didn't stop rotating. So did it rotate in the opposite direction or continued rotating in the same direction? And yes, your answer is correct. The motor rotates in the opposite direction.